Communication when you're out travelling can be one of the most important things to have with you. A radio can be the difference between you getting past the road train, sticking behind it for the duration of your trip, or finding yourself in a really unsafe situation. Now, if you're in a convoy, remember the radio is for messages, and it is not to be treated like a phone. The radio needs to stay clear so that any potential dangers, changes of direction, or important messages can be relayed at a moment's notice. Other things to consider is to not continually talk. Keep your messages quick and to the point, and do not talk over the top of others. If you're using a radio like the XRS, have a look at the features available to you. For myself, using things like the playback feature when I haven't heard a transmission is a lot more effective than asking people to repeat the message. Now, there are a few things that everyone needs to understand when using a radio, and the first one is to be aware of the language you are using. You never know who's actually listening in. Channel 40 is a trucking channel. It is not for general chit-chat. Where Channel 40 is appropriate to use is when you are wishing to overtake a truck, road train, or another motorist safely. Along with Channel 40, some areas of Australia have certain channels that are allocated for use, for example in the desert, being Channel 10. This is again not for chit-chat, but it helps you safely cross over the dunes. In summary, when travelling, a radio is a must, especially when you're in a convoy. But be respectful of the rules and remember the reason why they're there.